If you use Epic Games often, knowing where to find your Epic Rewards balance can save you time and help you keep track of your earnings and purchases. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find Epic Rewards on Epic Games, step by step, so you can check your balance and view your transaction history in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Epic Games account. You can do this either on the Epic Games website in your browser or through the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you have more than one account or you use different login methods. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This is usually where Epic keeps account-related options, so go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the menu. From the menu, you'll want to select Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings page, where you can manage different parts of your profile, security, payments, and rewards information. After you're in the Account section, look for Epic Rewards. Click on that option, and you should now be able to view your Epic Rewards balance along with your transaction history. This is where you can check how much reward credit you have available, and also review past reward activity tied to your account. If you don't see the section right away, make sure you're on the correct account and that you're fully logged in. Sometimes refreshing the page or reopening the launcher can help if the menu doesn't load properly. Also, if you recently made a purchase, it may take a short time for rewards to appear, depending on the transaction. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've found your Epic Rewards on Epic Games and checked your account details. If this video helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.